right, hey, what's up, y'all? I want to take a quick moment and tell you about this new community platform that we put together that we are so freaking excited about. I don't think we've been this excited about anything that we worked on in the past 10 years because now we finally have a home. We have a place that we can truly build a community, and we have a place where we can consolidate all of our resources in one spot. And up until now, we've never had that. And so in this short video, I just want to talk about why we're moving out of our Facebook group. And even if you don't do Facebook, this is going to be useful information for you. And I want to talk about the benefits of this new platform and what the opportunity is to come join us in building something freaking amazing. So first thing I want to do is just have us acknowledge what it is that we're all trying to do and what we're trying to do here together. We are trying to live our most amazing life possible. And we're trying to be as happy as we possibly can be. And we know that starts with health. When you find health, you find yourself and you show up to life completely different. And this is something that we try to explain to people when they first come visit with us, but it's very difficult to explain because you have to experience it first. And it is what people experience, right? You show up, you start to learn how to eat real food and prioritize sleep, and you learn to implement some kind of a meditation and mindfulness program. Maybe you learn how to get sweaty most days with us here in the gym, but you start to tie all that together and you have an idea of what you think you want to see change. Like, most people want to see their body composition improve and their energy levels improve, and maybe they have specific symptoms and conditions they're trying to work on. And all those things definitely get better. But you just have no idea how your life is going to change until you start to experience it. And then you realize, like, everything about life gets better because you show up completely different. And that's what we want for people. And by the way, those things are the things you're going to learn and have access to in this new platform. Now, to get there, it's a journey. It takes time. There's some things that you start to notice right away, and some of the profound benefits start to happen the longer that you put this stuff into practice. And so to get there, what we need education with the right information. We need some kind of experience where we're putting that stuff into practice. And then we benefit from having the support of other people. That's something that I've realized here recently, is that it's very difficult for people to do a self-learning process without having the support of others going through the same process. So we are moving out of our Facebook group. And the main reasons are this. First of all, Facebook can be a huge distraction with a lot of potential collateral damage. And even though some of us go in with a specific intention and purpose, the unintentional consequence is that we get sucked into news and hysteria and drama, and advertisements are everywhere. So we want a community situation that is distraction-free and ad-free. And in Facebook, your privacy does not exist. You basically sign in giving away everything that you put in there. And we don't want what we create to be taken away. With us, your privacy stays with us. So this is similar to Facebook, but we feel like it's a million times better because it's ours. No one can ever take it away from us. There's no distractions or advertisements. Your privacy stays in the platform and with us. When you log in, you have a field that looks like a Facebook feed, but keep in mind, this is ours, so it's only going to be health-related topics. And the information that you see in your feed is only going to be relevant to you, the topics that you're following, the groups you're a part of, and the courses that you're a part of. All of our information is going to be organized in this platform by topic. So we'll have recipes and topics by foundational health topic. And then you can also search the answers to questions that have been asked before, which we haven't had that before. And then also you'll have access to all our different courses, PDFs, resources, and materials by course. As an end user, you can actually write what is known like a quick post, like a Facebook update. But then you can also have the capacity to write in-depth articles, which are like comprehensive blog posts where you can do rich text formatting, you can upload pictures, videos, link to resources outside of the platform, and then also attach attachments like PDFs and other documents. You can connect with other members because within each course and group and event, we have our own discussion feed. And so we'll have conversations based around these specific topics and groups and events that won't be clouding up the public feed unless it's a part of your feed because it's something that you're subscribed to. And then you can connect with other members privately through messaging, group messaging, and as this grows, you can connect with people based on location, geographical location. So I can just imagine people in other cities being able to find other SHT people in the same city. You can connect with people based on profession, interest, health topic. I mean, the possibilities are really endless. And what we really love is there's not just a web interface where you can log in via PC or Mac, but there's also an awesome application that's available on iOS, iPad, and also Android. And we've been using it for a while and we absolutely love it. So you have a couple of different ways that you can join us. We have our community level, which is $9.99 a month. And if you're hesitant for any reason, this would be the place to start because this will give you a taste of what's happening in there. You'll have access to our community feed, the ability to post and share and ask questions and comment and communicate with others. And you'll have access to our searchable index of all our questions and posts and topics and recipes. And then also at this level, we have a Real Food Basics 101, Sleep 101, and Meditation and Mindfulness 101. So this is a level that is like our Facebook group right now. And you'll have access to a lot of great information. But what we're going to recommend most people participate in is what we call the unlimited level. We think this is the best. This is where all the magic's going to happen. $39.99 a month, which by the way is less than $500 a year, which $500 a year to access everything that we put out throughout the year. You have access to everything that you have at the community level, plus you have access to all our courses, resources, and materials. You have member-specific perks, exclusive events, and then you have access to all of our events that we offer live throughout the year. So if you happen to be in Vegas or traveling to Vegas, you can come to our live seminars and workshops. And if you sign up now, whatever rate you sign up at, you're going to be grandfathered in for the rest of your life, because as this gets bigger, as we become more and more valuable, then our prices are going to increase. All right, so that is the community platform. That is the opportunity to join us in building something freaking amazing and supporting yourself and other people. Hopefully you'll have your friends and family members come in there. And remember, we are dissolving our Facebook group the first week of May. And so we're going to focus all our efforts on this new community platform. And remember that we are doing this for you and us. This is about education with the right information, experience, and support with other people going through the same thing that you are. And we cannot wait to build this thing with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions.